It's the Texas weather discussion video for Thursday, the 26th of July. I'm Donovan Neal. We continue to stay very hot for today throughout the rest of the weekend, though a pattern change comes on Monday that changes it all and brings a potential chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, our first chance that we had in a long time. So here's the upper air look across the nation this morning. We have that upper high that's basically centered over the southwest United States, basically almost at 600 meters, which is very high for this time of the year. And we have that trough that's basically rotating to the northeast, leaving us in a dry air mass in a northerly flow aloft. And take a look across the nation. We do have excessive heat warnings and heat advisories covering much of California through parts of Arizona and parts of southern Nevada. And go off to the east, we have some dense fog advisories in effect for parts of Virginia, Carolina, and some of the adjacent states. And down here in North Texas and the south, we remain pretty quiet. On the convective outlooks today, we have a marginal risk of severe storms in effect for parts of the mountainous regions and through parts of the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. Tomorrow, day 2, you have a risk of severe storms for parts of, again, the western high plains through parts of the northeastern United States. Notice how the central two-thirds of Texas is in the green, which means we'll have a risk for very isolated showers and thunderstorms, but no organized severe weather is expected. And on day 3, we have a risk for severe storms. Day 3 for Saturday, we have a risk of severe storms up north. Again, notice how North Texas is in the green, risk for thunder, but no organized severe weather is expected. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days, This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Heavier totals remain off to the east near the mid-Atlantic states. Down here, we still could see about half an inch of rain, maybe even more for much of North Texas. And of course, your rain amounts can vary due to the scattered nature of the storms. And out in the tropics, continue to remain very, very quiet, with no activity expected during basically most of this weekend and throughout much of early next week. So let's go on to the model output. This is the 06Z run of the GFS, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. You can see that 597 meter high, basically centered over California and parts of Nevada and parts of Arizona. And we have trough to the north. Down here, heights are about where they should be, and we stay mostly sunny with a few clouds here and there. Highs should be closer to 100 degrees. Now Friday, a weak surface front actually comes through during the afternoon hours tomorrow. But here's the thing, we're lacking moisture to have a widespread rain event, so we'll still mention the chance of an isolated shower or storm, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours, but we mostly stay dry today. We mostly stay dry tomorrow with highs in the upper 90s, closer to 100, with maybe a few clouds here and there. And here Saturday, as the weekend begins, moisture from the front still lingers through, but still lacking in amount of moisture. So we'll mention the small chance of a shower or storm on Saturday. Highs should be pretty much at 100 degrees. And here's Sunday. That's a strong cold front approaches. A strong cold front approaches from the north. We won't see much rain from that on Sunday, but we'll mention the chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. Highs should be pretty much at 100 degrees. And here's Monday of next week. A strong cold front comes through really Monday morning, and we could pretty much stay wet through Monday afternoon and potentially Monday evening. And if this were to verify, the GFS actually has a high of around highs in the low 90s to the mid to upper 80s. In most spots in North Texas. And let's take a look at the temperature anomalies. It's suggesting temperatures as low as 18 to around 26 degrees below average, just out of North Texas and West Texas near the Abilene area. And of course, that will be very, very cool if that were to verify. And here's Tuesday. We pretty much clear house, but we still keep our coolness. Highs will be in the low 90s. Same thing on Wednesday. And a week from today, the 2nd of August, we have a nice cool trough right in our area. And down here, we remain pretty cool from that. Highs should be in the mid 90s. And here's 10 days. This is Saturday, the 4th of August. Highs are about where they should be for us, and down here, we still stay quiet. Because you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, we pretty much stay hot and steamy through the weekend, but as we get into next week on Monday, we pretty much we pretty much go back to the low to mid 90s for early August. And the CPC, the Climate Prediction Center, still suggests that we could see that we have a 50-50 chance of seeing below average temperatures through the 4th of August. And that couldn't have come any sooner than that. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'm Renitz in the blog. Next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.